Welcome, my dear students. Myself, Samresh Nandi, and today we are going to discuss a new topic called Negotiable Instrument Act of 1881. So basically, the term negotiable means transferable, and negotiable instruments are used at the time of transaction purposes. As per the Act of 1881, negotiable must be in written form, and it must be transferable from one party to another. And the sum mentioned in the negotiable instrument must be specific, and it must be duly signed and stamped by the parties involved. So today, as a part of the Negotiable Instrument Act, we are going to discuss about check. Check. So the check has been mentioned in Section 6 of the Negotiable Instrument Act, which defines that it is an instrument in writing, but it must be drawn on a specified banker, and it is always payable on demand. The term check is synonymous to promissory note and bill of exchange, but it has two additional conditions. The one is it is always payable drawn on a bank, and it is always payable on demand. Now we will discuss about the parties to a check. So in as per the Negotiable Instrument Act of 1881, there are basically three parties to a check. They are called the drawer, drawee, and a payee. Drawer, in case of the drawer, it is he or she is the person who has an account in a specific bank. Basically, these are the customers of the bank. The person in whose name the check is issued by the bank can be termed as a drawer. Now, who is a drawee? Drawee is always the bank, because payment will be done through bank. So drawee is the bank in case of check. The bank on which the check is drawn or who is directed to pay the amount mentioned on the check is the drawee. Now, the third party in case of check is a payee. The beneficiary or the person in whose name the payment will be made can be termed as payee, and in most of the cases, both the drawer and payee may be the same person. But in certain cases, if the check is transferred or negotiated, then the payee and drawer becomes different person. So today we had a brief discussion about what is check, what is negotiable instrument, and what are the parties to a check. Thank you all. We will meet again in the next class.